The dotted quarter note. This is a dotted quarter note. The dot goes to the right of the note head, whether the stem is going up or down. A dotted quarter note is equal in value to a quarter note tied to an eighth note. Let's take a look. Here is a quarter note, and here is an eighth note. When I tie them together, their values are combined. The quarter note gets 1 count, and the eighth note gets a half a count. So we have 1.5 counts. That is equal to a dotted quarter note. Here's why. The quarter note gets 1 count, and the dot increases the length of the quarter note by half of its value, which is half a count. The dotted quarter note gets 1.5 counts. The dotted quarter note is almost always followed by a single eighth note. Here's an example. I have a measure with a 2/4 time signature, and in the measure is a dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note. To count a dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note, it is helpful to subdivide the beat. So let's write in the counts subdividing the beat. The quarter note is 1 and. The dot is the first half of the second beat, 2. And the eighth note is the second half of the second beat, and. So we have 1 and 2 and. Clap and count this measure with me. 1 and 2 and ready, clap. 1 and 2 and. Good. Now let's take a look at a measure that has a 4/4 time signature. We'll have the dotted quarter note followed by the eighth note again, and then we'll have 2 quarter notes. Once again, we're going to subdivide the beat. Here are the counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Clap and count this measure with me. 1 and 2 and ready, clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.